भारत में हिंदुत्व हुकूमत इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए हमेशा की तरह एक बार फिर मुस्लिम दुश्मनी का हरबा इख्तियार कर रही है। नरेंद्र मोदी खुल्लम खुल्ला मुसलमानों के खिलाफ जहर उगल रहा है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was delivering a speech
Yeah,
in a rally,
yeah.
and he was clearly targeting the Muslim community.
Yes.
So if the PM says anything like this, you can have idea how the hate is being promoted.
इंटरनेशनल मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स इस तल्ख हकीकत की गवाही दे रही हैं कि मोदी हुकूमत अक़लियतों बिलखुसूस मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत को भड़का रही हैं और मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत अंगेज वाक़यात की सरकारी सरपरस्ती की जा रही है।
Over the years, there have been several cases where India's religious minorities, Christians and Muslims have been subjected to violence and discrimination. The Modi government has been accused of ignoring them and also of fostering hostility towards them.
A recent report by the India Hate Lab, a Washington DC-based research group, documented 668 hate speeches targeting Muslims in India. Of this, a staggering 75% took place in the BJP-ruled states. Many have accused the BJP of promoting religious division and empowering hostility towards India's Muslims.
मोदी के दौरे हुकूमत में मुसलमानों और दीगर अक़लियतों पर बढ़ते हुए हमलों पर भारत के बाज़मीर हलके भी तशवीश का इजहार कर रहे हैं।
Between 2014 and 2019, the BJP practiced a lot of Hindu majoritarian programs and policies. Their fringe elements of the Hindu Nationalistic Brigade, they mounted attacks on religious minorities, the Muslims and the Christians.
भारतीय हुकूमत की सरपरस्ती में मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत को इस हद तक बढ़ा दिया गया है कि मुसलमानों के लिए भारतीय मुआशरे में जिंदगी बसर करना अजीरन हो चुका है।
Whenever we go for a house, the first question we get to ask is, are you Mohammedan? Are you Muslim? Like many landowners, many brokers are hesitant to give us flats without any reasons, and we'll all get flats if we eat non-veg. Like there are some flats where a non-Hindu or like Muslim friends should also not come over.
I thought it would be a cakewalk, coming to the EU, getting into societies, making a lot of friends. But that was not the story when I came to the EU. I was isolated first before I made my own community. It feels like someone is dominating here. A group, a particular religion, a particular community is dominating here. And it don't feel like our nation.
Right.
We no more feel safe here. Like, while seeing this orange flags, I feel a sense of domination of a particular community, where others are not being able to express their identity.
नरेंद्र मोदी दहशतगर्द तंजीम राष्ट्रीय स्वयं सेवक संघ RSS का सरगर्म रुकन है। इस तंजीम से ताल्लुक रखने वाले दहशतगर्द गुज़श्ता 7 दहाइयों से भारत में मुसलमानों का कत्लेआम कर रहे हैं।
In 1992, when the RSS-led militants destroyed the historic Babri Mosque in Ayodhya and killed over 1,000 Muslims in Ayodhya and Bombay. In 2002, when over 2,000 Muslim men, women and children were killed mercilessly in Gujarat, where Mr. Modi was the chief minister. The BBC commentary on this program was banned, and the BBC was investigated by the Indian government for tax evasion. In April 2020, scores of Muslims were killed with impunity and official complicity in front of the eyes of the world in New Delhi.
भारत में हिंदुत्व हुकूमत के इंसानियत सोज हरबे आलमी बरादरी पर आश्कार हो चुके हैं। अब ये अक़वाम आलम का फ़र्ज़ है कि वो भारत में अक़लियतों के ख़िलाफ़ RSS की रियासती दहशतगर्दी को रुकवाने के लिए अमली इक़दामात करें।